Hello, my friends. I'm Chip the Chef, and today I want to cook with all of you. Come with me. We're in the kitchen today with our friends Koji and Momo. Hi, you both. Koji here is very excited to cook. Momo, how about you?
I am so incredibly excited to cook with both of you. Let's go make some pancakes. Are you ready? All right, let's make some chocolate chip pancakes. We're going to start with the dry ingredients first. This is flour. Now we go for some sugar.
I like sugar.
Nice little sprinkle powder on there. A little bit of salt, just dust it on there. And now we get a nice little mix.
Oh, that's tasty already.
Oh, you're right. That's going to be very tasty, Chip. All right, now we're going to do the wet ingredients.
That's butter.
You're right, Koji. That's butter.
That's vanilla.
Oh, you're right, Koji. That's vanilla. And for the last one, it's...
That's an egg.
That's right. It's an egg. And then we're going to add a little bit of milk in here.
Yay! I'm excited for this.
Yes, Chip. I'm very excited for this to come together. So give it a nice little mix. This way everything has a nice mixture together. Okay. Now we're going to pour this into our dry ingredients.
Oh, that's my favorite part.
Oh, this is your favorite part, Chip?
Mixing everything together gets so tasty.
Yeah.
And it's fun to spin it all around.
It's so fun just to spin it around. All right, we want to get these ingredients mixed together, but we don't want it to be too smooth. It's okay to keep it a little bit lumpy. It'll help increase the flavor.
Yay!
Yeah, Chip.
Let's put the mix in the pour.
Oh, that's a good idea, Koji. I'm going to pour from my milk container into my glass pouring container to make it easier to put on to the grill.
Oh, don't forget, we need butter so the grill is slippery.
Oh, you're right, Chip. I need to put butter on here. That's right, Chip. It helps it not stick. So we'll go to put pancakes on. There we go. Let's count together. That's 1 pancake.
1,
2 pancake.
2,
And 3 pancakes.
3.
Yeah, we did it. 3 pancakes. And now we're going to put some chocolate in.
Yay, I like chocolate.
Yes, Koji. It's making me hungry too. I also like chocolate.
Oh, watch out for the bubbles.
Okay. Yes, Chip. So if you look closer at the pancake, there's little bubble holes that are forming. That tells you when the pancake is good to flip. We're going to take a look in just a few minutes. I'm starting to see some bubbles now. You can see them coming through right here in that spot. There's a little bit more and...
Yes, nice flip,
Yeah.
Momo.
Oh, thank you, Chip.
I want to eat.
Okay, Koji, we can eat some after we finish making them. And you kind of want your pancakes to be a little messy. Of course, you can make them perfect, but there's just something about them being these little flapjacks that just taste so good. Each of them are so unique with their little shapes. Okay, as the pancakes start to brown up, that's how we know we're getting close to being done.
I'm so hungry.
Same, Chip. I can't wait to eat these with you guys too. We have 1 pancake for each of us.
Yay!
All right, we're getting pretty close now. What I'd really like to see at this point is the little bit of chocolate that's showing through. They kind of look like blueberries from here, but you can see those dark areas in the pancake itself. That's where the yummy chocolate is at. Okay, here we go. I think it's ready.
Yes!
Oh,
let's eat.
yes, I'm so glad you guys are excited. So am I. And that's 3. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for making pancakes with me, everyone.
Momo, you did an incredible job.
Thank you, Jake. I had so much fun cooking with you and Koji.
Thank you for taking mommy.
Well, thank you for cooking with us, too.
Hey, Chip. Man, that was awesome watching you, Koji, and Momo cook.
Aw, thank you. But it was all Momo. Oh, by the way, do you want to make sandwiches with me?
Yes, I would want to make sandwiches with you. Let's do it. Silly sandwich, chop, 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 chop. Chef Chip stacks it, plop, plop, plop. Colorful bites, hop, hop, hop. Silly sandwich chop. Silly sandwich chop. He spreads purple jelly, squish, squish, squish. He adds yellow bananas, flip, flip, flip. Peanut butter goes brown, smear, smear, smear. This sandwich tastes delish. Ah, silly sandwich chop, chomp, chomp, chomp. Chef Chip stacks it, plop, plop, plop. Colorful bites, hop, hop, hop. Silly sandwich chop. Silly sandwich chop. Green peas rolling, pop, pop, pop. Red tomatoes, drop, drop, drop. Orange carrots on the top. Never gonna stop. Oh, silly sandwich chop, chomp, chomp, chomp. Chef Chip stacks it, plop, plop, plop. Colorful bites, hop, hop, hop. Silly sandwich chop. Chip finds blueberries, boink, boink, boink. Pink pickles, that's the point. Ew? Yes? Stack it high so nothing falls. Okay, maybe just a little. Splat! Silly sandwich chop, chomp, chomp, chomp. Chef Chip stacks it, plop, plop, plop. Colorful bites, hop, hop, hop. Silly sandwich chop. Silly sandwich chop, 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 chop. Silly sandwich chop, 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 chop. Silly sandwich chop, 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 chop. Silly sandwich chop. Silly sandwich chop.
Wow, Chip. Those sandwiches you made were so delicious. Except for that pink pickle one. That was kind of funny.
Thank you, Momo. I like to try new things. Oh, are you going to be drawing today?
Oh, yes. Do you want to draw desserts with me?
Yes!
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, let's draw some desserts. Come draw with me. Pull out your crayons. All right, so let's start with, oh, I know. Let's do a chocolate cake. There we go, our triangle. Then we put a little whipped cream on top. That 2 lines. Then connect those 2 lines. And then we add the chocolate filling. There you go. We have a little chocolate cake. Let's try another one. Let's do what do you think? How about a lollipop? Okay, let's do it. We draw a circle. We're gonna make it extra dark. You know what? Let's add a stick. There we go. And let's make it swirly. You know what? We can add a little bit of color to it. There we go. We have a lollipop. Let's try something else. How about blueberry ice cream? So we have the bottom here. And half circle top. Then we draw the waffle cone. And we draw lines like this. And then the other way. There you have it. Ice cream. How about we draw one more thing? Let's see. How about a pie? Well, that'd be delicious. So we draw a circle. We draw a little X on top. We draw little wavy lines like this. You more wavy line? Here we draw the bottom pin of the cake, or the pie, I mean. You know what? Let's just draw lines actually across. What's your favorite kind of pie? This one is apple. Draw a little squiggly lines through its heart. Okay, thank you for drawing with me.
Gosh, seeing those desserts made me so hungry.
That's all I could think to draw. I always have desserts on my mind.
Oh, I love desserts. Oh, and I wanted to thank Koji and the both of you for cooking with me today. It's always the best to cook with friends. All right,
Okay, bye friends.